Hi, I'm attorney Andrew Thompson from the Thompson Law Office. In this video, we're discussing defamation actions relating to false publications on the internet, specifically those that are posted as reviews on directories like Yelp, Avo, even Google+, or otherwise. The advent of social media and the way that it's used today has created an environment where people can say anything at any time and it becomes non-retractable. One of the problems with this is that there's no accounting or means of accounting for the truth. You don't have to have anyone verify or corroborate what you have said, and furthermore, you don't even have to identify yourself. You can hide behind an IP address with no name mentioned on many of the reviews that are done over the internet. Fortunately, there are some systems, programs like Angie's List that do require the identity of the party making the review. Those are more helpful, but they're not necessarily immune from false publication. One of the questions that arises when you consider this type of problem, a negative review over the internet, is are the publishing sources, that is Google, Angie's List, Yelp, or any other directory or resource platform upon which the negative information is published, liable in and of themselves? It may be surprising to you, but generally the answer in the law has been no, but not always. There are exceptions to those rules, and in fact, you'll find cases, if you look hard enough on the internet, where big resource providers, including Angie's List and Google, have paid some settlement amounts, or at least a settlement has been awarded or judgment has been awarded on behalf of a plaintiff who had negative and untruthful information published about them on these platforms. These are complex cases and they can be defended quite vigorously. So if you're the plaintiff in one, the biggest thing to consider is who are the parties that you really want to target in a lawsuit, and how will you go about it? Because if you decide that you're going to pursue Angie's List or Google, not only are you going to have to get service of process upon them, but you're going to face a mountain of legal defense against you in the process. So that's one thing to consider. If you're on the other side and you're a smaller resource provider, and let's say you have been sued over a defamation claim for something you either published truthfully or was appropriate information to be published on a platform that you make available publicly, like some type of forum, internet forum. Even if it was published on your Facebook page, I've seen cases where people have sued the person who possesses the Facebook page for something that was written by a third party. Okay, these are challenging situations and you have rights to be defended. The complexity of defamation today means it's wise to consult counsel early on before you go very far down a road in any type of case involving a defamation claim. If we can help you, please call us at the Thompson Law Office at 317-564-4976, or you can find us on the web at www.thompsonlaw-in.com.